64 Audio's new VAC Pro is a cordless micro vacuum cleaner designed for comprehensive earpiece maintenance. To maintain functionality and ensure the longevity of in-ear devices, debris and wax must be carefully and continuously removed. VAC Pro can be used to clean earphones, hearing aids, in-ear monitors, and other devices that can accumulate wax buildup. Unlike past earpiece maintenance solutions, VAC Pro isn't tethered by a wall outlet plug or a cumbersome hose. Rather, it uses a powerful vacuum motor encased in an aluminum extrusion body energized by a rechargeable internal battery. VAC Pro is designed to tackle everything, from occasional personal device maintenance all the way to rigorous cleanings of multiple sets in the case of touring bands and churches who use in-ear monitors. This is due to its 80-minute runtime on a full charge and continued operation capability while charging. The 5 rigid and flexible tips can be used for a variety of canal openings, making VAC Pro compatible with almost every type of in-ear device and brand. The suction mechanism is protected by a dual foam filter layer, which is ideal for easy cleaning and replacement. VAC Pro is easy to use straight out of its protective carrying case and charged using the supplied USB cable. Visit 64audio.com to learn more.